Introduce everything. Oza. Itikwaji video.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to Anamungai YouTube channel. In case you're new here, make sure you hit that subscription button, share, comment, and of course like. I have new faces here. Of course. Ebu mjintroduce. Na muadvise aduma wa subscribe.
Yes, hello. I am David. I am a data consultant at Githunguri. That is my profession from experience. I have my friends here. They will introduce themselves to the piece.
Acha niwachukue kwa.
Hello guys, I'm Peter Peace. Yeah, next.
Hey guys, John Boro here, Samia Dailies. Subscribe nini ya Anamungai.
Yeah.
Yes, hello guys. Mi naitwa Bube. You subscribe.
Yes. So guys, nitakuwa nawauliza simple questions because they all do dairy farming. Nauliza maswali and then watuambie. When we talk about dairy farming, this is what we're talking about, guys. We have the best breed, fleshy and beautiful Holstein Friesian, and it's time for them to feed, guys. In case you want to learn about dairy farming, we do offer trainings with affordable price. You can visit our farm and book for your section, or below here is my contact. You are free to call for any order, any guidance, or even any compliments. And guys, in case you didn't know, we do deliver even countrywide. And I hope you will enjoy our video. Bye.
In the paper, we put the good in the good in the good life.
The good
We
life.
put the good in the good in the good
I
life.
said the good
We put
life.
the bad in the past, now we alright.
We alright.
Yeah.
Pour some Clico in a glass, have a toast to success. No looking back from here, no more being broke and distressed. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more M's while you hope for the best. We make these plays, man, I'm finessing these checks. Time's up forever.
So, swali ya kwanza tunaanzia na wewe. What inspired you to start dairy farming?
Dairy farming. I am raised in an environment where dairy farming is being practiced. So that was first priority. Secondly, it came with passion because to gain interest in dairy farming, you need passion. Thirdly, it is because of making money. Dairy farming is very profitable. Within a very short time, you can make millions of money. Thirdly, it is because me, I hate being employed. That is first. And thirdly, it is because of early retirement. When you do dairy farming, you retire at a very early age. In fact, if you start dairy farming today, you should retire today. That's why I started dairy farming at a very young age, and because I am inspiring to go further in life. Let my brothers here talk also.
Please.
So it's me, eh? Okay, first of all, I was actually introduced in dairy farming by these guys, and so far I'm so very happy. I did it with Githunguri Dairy Breeders, and so far I can say it's very much profitable. And one thing I learned from dairy farming is that each and every person has his or her own end game, and the end game of maybe each and every person is to find himself or herself akona mahali pake, akona ng'ombe zake kama 3-4 hivi, akona his own house na like ako sawa, yani his or she's settled. So that's the most thing that inspired me. So then pia mimi, as David has said, mimi nachukia kukuwa employed. So yeah, next.
Who should be next? Me?
You.
Yeah.
Okay. The thing that inspired me into daily farming, let me be very real, ni kusota. Nilikuwa nimesota nikiingia kwa hii biashara, and from the benefits zenye nimekuwa nikipata kwa hii biashara, siwezi rudi kwingine. Ube, tuambie kitu.
Mimi. On the issue, yeah, my inspiration into dairy farming takes me back. Pia mimi nilijipata kwa dairy farming during the COVID time. Nilikuwa nimejaribu kushift careers na nikajaribu employment for a year or two, na it was not given. Then when now COVID came, it sent people back to the villages. That's when I began doing dairy farming, and so far I cannot regret me joining dairy farming. It's a profitable venture, and yeah, we look forward to bring more people into dairy farming.
Wow.
Yeah.
So another question ni bado hatujamaliza.
Hello farmers. All these are super pedigree in-calf heifers. All these are super pedigree in-calf heifers, Holstein Friesians, Frekve, Jersey. All this you see here, it is feeding time. We are feeding them with maize jam and some wheat bran and mineral salt. All these are in-calf heifers located at Githongori, Kiambu County. Welcome to our farm. You get to choose yourself the best of them. They start from 5 months in-calf, 6, 7, 8, all the way to the ones that are lactating. But these are the ones that are in-calf for now. Welcome to Githongori, Kiambu County for the best selection of heifers for any climatic changes. They adapt very well.
How can you advise mtu mwenye ana start kufanya dairy farming? Unaweza mu-advise aje for now?
Sasa hapa tunafaa kufocus kwa the big comedians.
The big comedians? What do you mean?
Okay, kuna these people, tumetaga kina Boten, those people. From my observation, I think from my observation, being in this business, sidhani we can compete with them. Naweza taka wa try this.
Wa try dairy farming?
Yeah, wa try dairy farming.
Yeah? Ati swali ilikuwa?
Swali ni unaweza inspire a beginner aje a start a dairy farming? How can you advise a beginner to do dairy farming?
Wanafaa kuangalia maisha yangu, mahali nilikuwa na mahali niko. So that's enough ya ku inspire those guys.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after.
Sitawapeka picha ka before and after hapo.
As they can see, someone has a red Mercedes there.
Exactly.
He's also a farmer.
It's not being seen where. Let me show you. Yeah,
In the middle of Napier grass.
yeah.
So if you are there, you need to start farming. Be really encouraged. It is a good,
Also show them just outside your door.
very good venture.
No, outside here. Yeah. The color of money. Just here. Move forward. The color of money, yes. Just there. Show them.
This is cow dung. This is how we manage our waste.
Yeah.
But for you are there, you need to start. Be really encouraged. You will get a lot of money also. You will also like it because it is a form of therapy. When you get there, when you get into your cows and you have a lot of stress, just watching them feed, it is a very good therapy. So you are there, you need a retirement plan. This is the best. You can retire at 20 years, by the way. You can retire at 18, you can retire at 30, you can retire at 50. It is up on you. Make a step, come, learn fast. Then after that, you will see whether to purchase or whether to start or whether to do what. Welcome to Githunguri, Kiambu County.
Yeah. Bube. Chaukia bado.
Already married.
Inspiration.
Rikaneti.
Inspire modo urenda kwambiriria dairy farming.
O murenda kwa dairy farming.
What is he or she waiting?
Ni afatio Kenya bende muhe karugano. Ya haria dairy farming edutete. Secondly, you be passionate about it. No korwo riri. Learning how to do it is the first step into doing it. To ono ngecera guku gwitu tugubundithia uria ungianjia kurera gacaũ. In miaka iri ukorwo gikama gacaũ kau. In miaka 5 ukorwo ciarithanĩtie ng'ombe ĩyo yakorwo ina hard ya ng'ombe 10. No wone guo generate assets instead of we ukorwo i hau urathukumira ngiri 40 Nairobi wikira mbere sita Kasarani. Akirema.